I'm here today with an Ulta haul. I have a bunch of fun stuff that I picked up over the last month and I wanted to share it with you. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video and decide to stay a while. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave, and let's jump right into the Ulta haul. It's super stormy outside. I'm watching our palm trees like just being trashed in the wind, and I don't know, I just wanted to do one in our room. Let's jump right into the haul. These are all things I've picked up over the last, I don't know, month or so, and I'm gonna just share them all with you because I thought it would be fun, and we all love a haul. Doesn't hauls just bring you back to like old YouTube times? I just miss it. I wish beauty YouTube was what it used to be. So, okay, I got a ton of nails. You guys know for the past like 2 years, I've been doing like the press on nails. These are ones that were sent to me by Kiss. They're just this really pretty maroon color. But Ulta has been just nailing it out of the park with some nails. So let me show you some that I picked up. This one is the Kiss Classy Nails. So these are the Kiss Classy Nails. They're just a really beautiful nude. So I really like those. I'm excited to give those ones a go. Next, these are the Kiss Nude. And I liked that they were a subtle French tip. They're not like super obvious. So I thought those ones were pretty. Glamnetic is becoming one of my favorite nail brands. So there's these really fun ones in the style Oasis. I liked the green. I thought those were kind of nice and fall-esque. Now these ones I've had before. These are also by Glamnetic, and they're called Creme de Nude. And these ones are super, super long. So I always have to trim these ones a little bit. But I love how they ombre, and this one's even more of a subtle, like French tip. These Vogue Fantasy ones, one is a leopard print. The other one has more of the like pastel colors. These are a little bit more springy, but I thought these ones would be perfect for fall. And these are by Kiss Vogue Fantasy. Nails I also really love. These ones are Black French in the almond. I have a couple of the other French ones and I really like them, but I like that these ones had the black tips. I thought those were good for fall. She Naughty. And then the gold ones are called Material Girl. I'm tempted to wear these gold ones to Vegas, but I thought these would be perfect for Christmas. All right, this is the last Glamnetic pair, and this one is called Frosted. And I just loved the blue. I thought those were really pretty. OPI has come out with press-on nails, which I think is great. I have quite a few of them. So this first one is called Throw Me a Kiss, and it's called their Classic, so it's more rounded. And then this one's Throw Me a Kiss, but these ones are longer. And I like this style a little bit better. I mean, a lot better. I like that shape more. This one I'm gonna have to trim down though, because it's pretty dang long. But I love them. They're so pearlescent and pretty. Bubble Bath. These ones are really long too, so those ones will need to be trimmed, but they're so beautiful. And then this one I thought would be perfect for like Christmas, New Year's time. This one is called I Want It, I Got It. Thought that one would be so cute for the holiday time. And the next two are my 9 to Thrive and Swipe Night. Now Swipe Night is cool. Do you see how it like changes color? It's very cool. And then this one just had like some cool different color tips, so I liked that one too. What I have on my eyes today is this Anastasia palette. It's the Rose Metals. I have not bought an Anastasia palette in a really long time, but I swatched this yesterday in Ulta and it was so pretty. I guess I should have bought it from the Sephora sale because I could have saved 20%. But I have that really pretty, this green color on my eyes. This one right here. And then I have this in my crease, that in my outer V, that in the like very outer corner. They're just really, really pretty. I'll swatch a couple for you. And that was like me barely dipping my hand in or finger in. So they're really, really pretty. And I like the eye look I got today. It's very fallish, you know. Don't have in here because I'm already using them. I got another of the Urban Decay All Nighter face primer. This is my favorite face primer ever. If you watched my Sephora recommendations video, I mentioned this one and I absolutely love it. So I just have the box in here to remember to talk about it. The Lash Idol, is it Idol or Idol? I have this, I mentioned it also in my Sephora favorites, and I purchased it. Again, these two things were purchased way before the Sephora sale, so that's why I bought them there, not the Sephora sale. Okay, same with these. These were things I bought probably over the last month or two. The NARS bronzer. I got the matte one and the bronzing one, which has like a little bit of a glow. Assuming that Sephora probably has these powders too. So one is matte. It will say NARS matte. It's the Laguna. I'm just like on the hunt for a new bronzer. And then this one has like a shimmer, like a slight glow. So let's see if I can swatch them. I feel like they don't swatch very good, but boy, are they pigmented. You go light-handed with these otherwise. So this is the matte, and then this is the shimmer. You can see there's like a sheen to it, but they're insanely pigmented. I don't remember NARS bronzer being so freaking pigmented, but it is very pigmented. I've got this little NARS set here. It's like their holiday set, and it comes with 3 different products. This one, and this one. And it's in Behave, which I don't have this color. So you get the little liquid blush, which you guys know I love liquid blush, like liquid and cream blush. I used to have the other 3 shades of this, but they got so old that I got rid of them. Isn't that a really pretty baby pink? And then you get, I should have brought, why didn't I bring wet wipes? I brought dry tissue. The Behave multiple, which the multiple I think you can use like eyes, lips, face. I would just use this as a blush. I mean, this is all the same color, so. And then the blush, powder blush in Behave, which is just a really pretty light pink. I just thought, oh, that's such a fun, like baby doll pink. So I'm excited to try that. I've had these all in a bag to do a haul, and I kind of forgot that I had it. So excited to use that. I picked these up for Vegas. They're the no-show little pasties, and then the silicone cover-ups. So I got those. I'm gonna set those aside to take to Vegas. And then, oh, I found one more nail. This is the Glamnetic in Rogue. Those looked fun. So I got those ones too. Okay, I got some e.l.f. sponges. This is the Total Face Duo sponge. I use this all the time. It's like one of my favorite sponges. And then the Camo Concealer sponge. I'm already using them and I love them. I've talked about them many times. Also got this little Orgasm X blush. And it's like a mint. I got the mini because it's very rare I go through a full blush. But I just thought it was a really fun, bright, pinky, corally color. Nice pop to the cheeks. Got another one of my BFF lip liners from ColourPop. It's one of my favorites. I've gone through so many of them. I actually have that on my lips today. It's just a really nice everyday nude for me. I love that one. And I picked up 3 of these Buxom holiday glosses. This one is the Full On Plumping Lip Polish, the lip cream, and another lip polish. So this one is in Mia Marshmallow, and it's kind of like a clear color. Oh, it smells really good. It smells very vanilla-y, like marshmallowy vanilla. And it's kind of just clear. It doesn't really have much pigment to it, but it's really sparkly and pretty. Then we have the cream, and this one is in Peppermint Cocoa, Hot Cocoa. And this one's pepperminty. So the marshmallow one is marshmallowy. The pepperminty one, see, it's just like a really light pink. It's not as dark as you see in the tube. It's just really, really beautiful. It's called Cami Caramel, and this one smells like caramel. Oh, it smells so good. And this one is the cream, so it's a little bit more opaque. And then it has like a little bit of subtle shimmers in it, and it's really gorgeous. 2 glosses from ColourPop. I am on their PR, but I don't get every collection. So I just happened to see these at Ulta at their little ColourPop's little area, which I heard ColourPop is coming to Target. That's so exciting. They're called They're So Glassy. And I got this pink one and then this peach one. So the peach is Midair and the pink is called Love Spell. So the pink is called Love Spell and the peachy one is called Midair. So the pink one is on top, the peachy one is right here on bottom. Next, I got this hand cream. This hand cream is like my favorite, the Ultra Repair Cream. We have it, a big tub of it downstairs by our kitchen sink. This one is in vanilla. I like barely smell of vanilla. But if you're looking for like the best hand cream that really moisturizes your hands but does not make them greasy or oily or slippy, this is it. That's why my husband loves it. He's super picky on hand cream because he doesn't want something that's going to make his hands feel like oily. This is amazing. Oh, it's so good. Another one of these, if you saw my empties video, This Buxom Powerline and Hush Hush Henna is like such a good liner. It has a brush on one side, but I like blue through the liner because I just loved the color so much. It's just like, you know, my perfect, pretty much everyday lip liner color. So that's Hush Hush Henna. I really love the formula. Then I got this NARS gloss in A-Lister, and it's a really pretty, like, clear gloss with a gold shimmer. I don't ever hear anyone talk about NARS glosses. I have a couple, and they're so nice. But you can see it's just clear, and then it has really pretty gold sparkles. I also picked up another one of these, this NYX Milky Gloss. This one's in Milk and Honey. I have had one. I don't know where it went, so I want to stick this one in my purse. They smell delicious, and it's just a light pinky, milky pinky peach color. Absolutely beautiful. And then what I have on my lips today, which I'm loving, is the BFF lip liner from ColourPop. And then this, I saw this on TikTok and it's been selling out like crazy. So I was very shocked to find it at my Ulta. It was the last one, and it's the Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate. Look at that. They have the heat one. The heat one I was able to find, but I don't like the heat flavor or that formula. This one's just the Fenty, like the Fenty balm or whatever, gloss balm. And then this is what it looks like on. It's so pretty. It gives just kind of like a chocolatey goodness to your lips. I think it's like the perfect fall gloss. It's so pretty. So that is it. That is it for my Ulta haul. I will have a Sephora haul coming up very soon. It'll probably be up before this one. I'm not sure. But yeah, I have to film that once that package comes in. Okay, my camera's gonna be all flip-flopped because I just had to take photos for the thumbnail, and I have to film with the mirror front camera off and then take photos with the mirror front camera on so I don't look all deformed. But anyways, I forgot one last thing. Is this not the cutest? I got this for Liv. She's going to freak. This may be her favorite Christmas gift of all. She loves makeup. She loves doing makeup with me. She loves carrying her makeup around, and she has them in like little random makeup bags. But this little caboodles kit, I'm so excited. So it opens up like this. Plus, she's just gonna love the colors. It's like very Rapunzel Barbie. So you open it, and it has like a little primer and a lip balm, which she probably won't care about that, but you open this, it'll have a little mirror for her. There's glosses, there's little brushes, and then down here, there's like little shadows and stuff. And she's going to absolutely love this. I'm so excited to give this for her to her for Christmas. I think it was $30, and oh my gosh, she's just gonna absolutely love this. So if you have a daughter, young girl in your life, she's gonna be 4 in January. So she's very much into makeup already, and she's just going to think that this is the funnest thing, and she can carry it around, and it has a mirror, and it has her little brushes. I gave her a bunch of super cute little brushes for Easter, so she'll be able to put those in here, and oh my gosh, just gonna be the best gift ever. Hope you guys are having a good day. Have you tried any of the products that I talked about today? What are some things that you are loving from Ulta? What are some new releases you're excited about? Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. I've been posting a ton of fun reels. Also, I have a TikTok. I held out for a very long time, but I do have TikTok as well, so I'll link all of the socials down below. I would love it if you could follow me over there as well. I've been posting quite a bit, and I tend to be like a little bit more active over on, do you hear this rattling around? On Instagram. So thank you guys so much. I will talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.